Good day everyone, in today's video, EVERDOME Metaverse Experience. Some say they add some new features, new stuff. Let's check it out. Let's go. Don't have a quest, I have a mouse and keyboard. Let's go, let's see what's going on. Enter the space.
Members alike.
Here we are.
To the heart of EVERDOME, the central hub of exploration, innovation, and collaboration. I am
Doesn't look
Jumbo,
too sharp.
and I'm honored to be your AI host and guide.
Listen, I'm using MSI RTX 380 with 64GB of RAM and ryzen 590X 590X Ryzen and RTX 380 380 yeah. And it looks weird. It doesn't look like in the previous demo. We are like lacking some anti-aliasing or something. I don't know. It doesn't look like a 4K experience. The screen is 4K. It feels like 4K, but in the menu the resolution was lower. Anyway, what is going on? What is that? Enter. Let's enter. Hitting E. Okay, so we are in some kind of space. Someone built that space. What is that? Okay, some Chinese or whatever. Japanese. I'm sorry if I make a mistake. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. I was hoping for doors to open and then I can go get through it. Teleporting is I don't know. Why do I have a black screen? That is the question. Is that it? Is the game crashed? Jesus. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me when I'm recording the video. Okay, it never crashed on me before. That's the first crash I've seen. Exactly when I don't need it. Come on. Game over, man. Game over. Jesus. Fucking. Seriously?
The central
Okay, we are
hub of
back. I had to
exploration,
reset
innovation,
everything.
and collaboration.
I still feel
am
like we are...
Jumbo, and I'm honored to be your AI host. And
It
guide
doesn't
you
look
on
great like it was
civilization.
before. Now it's like the resolution. Something's wrong with the resolution now. Okay, let's go down. Oh, they block everything. Can I go there? Enter the elevator, okay. Can I go down? Cold elevator. Wow. Wow. Alright. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Winning. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, it's the second floor. All right. What's in here? I'm sorry, there is no audio. It's just me. I'm not sure what happened, but there's like no audio. Wow. Okay. Looks very nice. Okay, the city is getting better and better. I like that. We have a very nice view. I just hope they correct that that resolution. I'm not. Maybe it's on my end. I don't know. All right. It's a big city, but there's no one here. Some plants. Spaces. Everyone has their own space. If we hit like, come on, E to teleport. All right, another space. All right, they're basically all the same, just the different wallpapers and maybe a different flower. So there's literally no point to get anyway. They're all the same. Don't tell me I'm back.
And crew
Wait,
members
okay,
alike.
no.
To the heart of EVERDOME,
What is
the
that?
central hub of exploration, innovation, and collaboration.
Animal
I am
in
Jianmu,
space.
and I'm honored to be your AI host. And
Just for sake curiosity. Like I said, just the different wallpapers. Okay, who cares? Anyway, let's move on. Let's move on.
welcome, Evernauts and crew members alike, to the heart of EVERDOME,
Ooh,
the central
that's,
hub of exploration, innovation,
blur effect.
and collaboration. I am Jianmu, and I'm honored to
Oh,
be
there's
your
something
AI
there.
host
Okay,
and guide
that's the
through our
elevator.
new civilization.
That's the elevator. Alright, can we go down? Or is it going up? Okay, let me hold the E button. I'm holding the E. There's nothing going on. Holding the E button. Holding the E button. Should I be close to the door? No. So I cannot go back? Is it broken? Okay, it's going up. I was hoping to go down. Okay, so only 9 and 3 is available. Not... Oh, hello. Dude, you're all black. How did you get that black suit? Or whatever. Okay, so we're back to the... Oh yeah, we're back to the beginning. Yeah, it's the same place. Yeah, it's the same place anyway. Okay, let's do it one more time. I want to test something. E. There's a lot of work for the team to make that great. Oh, there's our beloved CEO. There you go. All right. Can I jump? Oh, maybe I can jump down. No. Can I jump down? No. Damn it. Okay, this is a very early access, and I can see, I don't know what's going on there. You can see it is a bit glitchy. I cannot jump down. Not touching the keyboard. What is going on? What is going on? Okay, it's getting very glitchy. I'm not sure what's going on. Oh. It's moving by itself. It's very hard to control it when it's moving by itself. And oh, maybe he was pushing me. Hey, dude. Dude. Can I talk to him? That's V. Hello. Hello. What if we like change the sound? Maybe we can put ultimate sound. No. Hello. I'm not sure what's going on with my audio. It's maybe on my end. All right, so I think that's all it is. But for now, it's cool they add a little bit more to like hands-free to like explore, but it's very glitchy, at least on my end. Maybe it's my fault. I don't know. 80% from the all-time low. That's not impressive at all. All-time low. When the Bitcoin is in all-time high, this should be way higher. Look at any other altcoins, even the meme coins. Come on. Come on. Well, first of all, there's no usability. The total supply is insane. And the game is quite boring. There's nothing there at the moment. Maybe they built something, but at the moment it's... First of all, something wrong with the graphics. It's glitchy as hell. And like I said, there's nothing to do. And that's most important. When it's nothing to do, it's boring and no one will play it. There need to be some, I don't know, race, shooting experience. Just visiting the wallpapers, that's no. No one cares about the wallpapers, my friend. No one cares. They need to be competitive, like maybe race or something. I don't know. It looks like a very early access, very early access. Anyway, that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Bye.